Hello class, in this video I will be discussing Module 3 Lesson 1, which is uh, will be tackling ordinary annuity. Okay, when we say annuities, it is a series of equal payments made at equal interval of time. Okay, so ang example niyan is yung mga installment plans. Ayan, pag halimbawa bumili ka ng gadget, 'di ba? Minsan for installment siya, which is for example monthly, at yung monthly payment mo is equal at every month nagbabayad ka. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng annuities. So, meron tayong apat na types ng annuities. At isa doon is yung ordinary annuity. When we say ordinary annuity, yung equal payments mo are made at the end of each payment period, starting from the first period. So, yung unang bayad mo is sa susunod pa na cycle. For example, uh, nag-down, bumili ka ng gadget ngayon, okay? So, ang unang bayad mo is, for example, ang usapan is monthly payment. Ang unang bayad mo is dun sa susunod pang yung ika 1 month, okay? So, for example, 5 years, okay? Ang given, okay? Babayaran mo daw si gadget for 5 years at babayaran mo siya annually, okay? Yan yung period. Okay? So, kung gagawa natin siya ng cash flow, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ayan. Imbis na today, yung unang bayad mo, babayaran mo pa siya sa ika-unang taon, ika-dalawang taon, ika-tatlo, ika-apat, ika-lima. So, mag-uumpisa ka lagi dun sa at the end of the period, hindi dun sa start. Okay? Yun ang ibig sabihin ng ordinary annuity, or yan yung principle ng ordinary annuity. At equal payment siya. Okay? Equal payment. Ngayon, meron tayong present worth. Syempre, pag sinabi nating present worth, ito yung at time 0. Ang present worth ay equivalent yan sa A na dinala at time 0 at inequate. Okay? Pinag-add na A na dinala every yan, dinala sa present time. Okay? So, pwede mong gawin is ipag-add mo yung A na dinala sa present time or i-memorize mo na lang tong formula. Ang future naman is nandito sa huling payment. So, pwede rin yan, dalin mo lahat ng A dun sa future o dun sa ika-5 taon and then i-add mo. Or pwede mo na rin tong i-memorize tong formula na to. Okay? So, paano ba natin i-memorize yung formula? Pwedeng present worth is equals to A times present, ibig sabihin C1 is malapit sa P, 1 minus 1 plus R over M raised to negative MT over, ang I dito is equivalent din sa R over M, okay? Yung I dito ay equivalent din sa R over M. Or, ayan, sa future naman is equals to A. Ayan. Pag future, C1 is nasa dulo, ang mauuna is 1 plus R over M raised to MT minus 1 over R over M. So, ganun lang natin siya i-memorize. Mas madali. Okay? So, sagutin na natin si sample problem number 1. A man paid 10% down payment of 200,000 for a house and lot and agreed to pay the 90% balance on monthly installment for 60 months at an interest rate of 15% compounded monthly. Compute the amount of the monthly payment. So, nag-down daw si man ng 10% ng original price, which is equivalent sa 200,000. Okay? Kung 200,000 ay 10% ang original price or the present worth is equivalent sa 2 million. Okay? Okay, 2 million. Yan. Okay? So, kung gagawin natin to ng cash flow, ginawa natin siya ng cash flow. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 58, 59, 60. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 58, 59, 60. Okay? Tapos, meron kang monthly payments dyan. Okay? At nagbayad ka today, okay, hindi siya kasama sa annuity ha. Nag-down ka ng 200,000. Yan. So, ang present worth mo ay 2 million. Okay. Magkano daw yung monthly payments mo for 60 months? Okay. So, P, which is equivalent to 2 million, equals yung dinown mo today na 200,000. Okay. Plus A times 1 minus 1 plus 0.15 monthly, okay, over 12 raised to negative, ang binigay na sa'yo period, o kung ilang beses ka magbabayad, so 60 over 0.15 over 12, okay? Ang empty is number of periods, ha? Okay. So, hindi mo na kailangan i-times pa ng year kasi yan na yung ilang beses kang magbabayad. So, kung i-compute natin si A, ayan. So, 2 million equals 200,000 plus ayan. So, ang monthly payment mo pala for 60 months ay 42,821.87 pesos. Okay. So, ito yung monthly payment na babayaran ni Man for 60 months. Okay. So, let's proceed to sample number 2. A manufacturing firm wishes to give each 80 employees a holiday bonus. Okay, wishes. So, future ang given. How much is needed to invest monthly for a year? Hinahanap is A. 10%, 12% nominal interest rate compounded monthly so that each employee will receive 2,000. So, yung 80 employees pala ay tig to 2,000. So, ang kailangan mong ipunin is 80 times 2,000, 160,000. Okay. Yan. So, hinahanap yung A, equate natin sa formula ng future. 1 plus, ang R natin ay 0.12. Ang M natin is monthly. Ayan, no? Monthly. For a year, so, raised to 12 times 1 minus 1 over 0.12 over 12. Okay. So, ang kailangan nating ipunin monthly for a year para makaipon ng 160,000. Raised to 12 minus 1 over 0.12 over 12. 12,000 615.81 pesos. So, ito yung kailangan ipunin ni manufacturing firm para makapag-provide ng 160,000 after a year. Okay? Monthly tong babayaran. Okay? So, next, sample number 3. How much money must you invest today in order to withdraw 2,000 annually for 10 years if the interest rate is 9%? Okay? Ang given natin is ang annuity is 2,000. Withdrawal to. Okay? Ang period is 10 years. Okay? Ang rate natin is 9%. Compounded yearly. Okay? Annually naman kasi. Okay? How much money must you invest today? So, ang hinahanap is P. A is 2,000 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.09 over 1 raised to negative 1 times 10 over 0.09 over 1. So, ang kailangan mong i-invest today para magkaroon ka ng withdrawal na 2,000 every year for 10 years ay equivalent sa 12,835.32 pesos. Kailangan mo mag-invest ng 12,835.32 pesos para maka-withdraw ka ng 2,000 annually for 10 years. Okay. So, let's proceed to sample number 4. Maintenance cost of an equipment is 20,000 for 2 years, 40,000 at the end of 4 years, and 80,000 at the end of 8 years. Compute for the semi-annual amount that be set aside for this equipment, money worth 10% compounded annually. Yan. So, kung gagawa tayo ng cash flow nito, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan. Sabi niya, for 2 years, 20,000. The end of 4 years, meron siyang 40,000. At the end of 8 years, meron siyang 80,000. Yan. Compute for the semi-annual amount that is set aside for this equipment. So, ang kailangan is ano daw yung iipunin niya semi-annually para matustusan yung maintenance cost ng equipment for 8 years. Ayan. So, ang una natin gawin is kunin natin yung P. Okay. P. Kasi ang kailangan nating i-convert yan to semi-annual payments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Kasi semi-annual payment, so 2 times 8 years. Ayan. Okay. Magkano daw yung iipunin nila for 8 years semi-annually para matustusan yung maintenance cost. Okay. So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin is kunin yung present worth nung maintenance cost tapos i-equate natin dito sa annuity na nasa baba. Okay. Yan. So, para makuha natin yung present worth dyan, okay, yung 20,000, ibalik lang natin ng 2 taon. Yung 40,000, ibalik natin ng 4 na taon. Okay? And then yung 80,000, ibalik natin ng 8 years. Okay? So, compute natin. check lang natin. Ayan. So, ang present worth niya is equivalent ng 81,170.05. Okay. So, yan yung kailangan mong ipunin. Okay. Para makapag-ipon yan, kailangan mo ng semi-annual payments. So, 81,170.05 is equals to A, present worth 1 minus 1 plus R over M raised to negative 2 times 8, okay, over R over M. Ngayon, ang problema, yung rate na given is annually. Ang kailangan natin is semi-annual. So, we have to convert. 1 plus R over M raised to M is equals to 1 plus R over M raised to M. Convert natin yung yearly into semi-annual. So, 1 plus 0.10 over 1 raised to 1 is equals to 1 plus R over 2 raised to 2. Okay? So, convert natin. Raised to 1, okay na yan. 1 plus alpha x over 2 raised to 2. Shift solve. Ang R natin ay equivalent sa 0.0976. Yun yung i-substitute natin dun sa taas. 81,170.05 is equals to A. 1 minus 1 plus 0.0976 over 2 raised to 2. Negative 2 times 8, okay, over 0.0976 over 2. Okay. So, compute natin 81,170.05 alpha x 1 minus 1 plus 0.0976 over 2 negative 2 times 8 over 0.0976 over 2. Shift solve. Okay? So, kailangan niyang mag-ipon ng worth 7,425.72 pesos. Okay? So, yan yung example number 4. Now, ito ay babayaran semi-annual, okay, for 8 years. Now, sa example number 5 naman tayo, Mr. Ramirez borrowed 15,000 2 years ago. The terms of the loan are 10% interest for 10 years with uniform payments. He must make his second annual payment. How much principal does he still owe? Okay, how much principal does he still owe? So, 2 years ago. Yan. So, ngayon is ika-2. Okay. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan. Okay. Now, umutang daw siya before ng, nabura. Okay. Umutang daw siya before ng 15,000. Ngayon, naguhulog siya ng annual payments for 10 years. At kahuhulog niya lang nung ikalawa. Okay. So, ang time zero natin is dun sa ikalawang taon. Okay. How much principal does he still owe? Okay. Kakatapos niya lang daw nung second payment. Magkano na lang daw yung utang niya? How much principal does he still owe? So, at time ngayon, okay, kung kababayad niya lang ng dalawa, okay, meron pa siyang utang na principal na equivalent nitong 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, kunin lang natin yung A times 1 minus 1 plus R over M raised to Negative 8. Bakit 8, ma'am? Kasi 8 payments na lang yung natitira. Over R over M. Ngayon, ang problema, hindi rin natin alam yung A. Paano natin malalaman? May given na 15,000, no? So, 15,000, okay, principal, 15,000 equals to A times ilang payments yung A? 10, diba? So, 1 minus 1 plus 0.10 yearly. So, negative 10 over 0.10 over 1. So, ayan. So, magkano yung annual payments niya? 15,000. Okay. So, alpha x 1 minus 1 plus 0.10 raised to negative 10 over 0.10. Shift solve. Okay. So, ang annual payment pala na binabayaran niya ay 2,441.18. Ngayon, salpak natin siya dito para malaman natin kung magkano na lang yung utang niya as of now. Okay. 1 minus 1 plus 0.10 raised to negative 8 over 0.10. Wala na tayong M kasi yearly naman siya. So, over 1. Okay. So, pwede na nating i-answer to. 1 minus 1 plus 0.10 raised to negative 8, 0.10. So, ang utang niya as of now is equivalent sa 13,023.52. So, yan. So, yan na yung final answer. And that ends our lecture for today. Thank you very much.